Hello, my beloved people all over the world. Welcome to Twin Mommy TV. What is this beautiful? What are these beautiful flowers? Yes, they are the flowers from Yokoto, Lagos spinach. Efo, yes. This is the one that we used to cook eforiro or vegetable soup. Okay, this is a vegetable. Yes, I'm supposed to have been, harvesting. Look at, the flowers came out. I've not had time to harvest even the first harvest because I've been so busy. Big Mommy has been so busy. Okay, I've not had time. Usually I will harvest, maybe twice before I let the flowers, come out. But I'm still going to cut these flowers. I don't know whether they are matured now. Okay, so I'm still going to just harvest the leaves. Yes, I will harvest them. So this, if you look at my video, I showed you guys when I was planting them from the seeds that I saved for 3 years ago. Yeah, so they are very viable. Look at, they grew very well. I planted some here and I planted some right here. Okay, they are so beautiful. Look at it. Look at the beautiful flower. Oh, look at the color. This is beautiful. Okay, yeah. So yes, I planted this, I think 3 years ago, long time ago. If not, I think it's like 3 years, if not 4 years or 3 years, right? Yes, but I know it's more than 2 years. So it can't be 2 years because I didn't plant 2 years. It should be 3 or 4 years ago. Yes, and I kept it. I saved the seed. I showed. You can look at my video. Okay, look at my video and see when I saved the seed. I showed you guys how I saved the seed. Yeah, I saved them, but I didn't plant it year after year. I think 2 years in a row, I didn't plant it. But guess what? I planted this spring, and look at what I'm getting. Look at, very, very beautiful. So I'm going to harvest it so I can use it to cook a vegetable soup or a foriro. Okay, so this is a vegetable. It's just like any other vegetable. Okay, so it doesn't matter whether you are from Nigeria or you are from any part of Nigeria, everybody can eat it. Okay, all over the world. It's just like vegetable. Just make sure you cook them. Okay, you can stir fry them, and they are very nutritious, and they have a lot of health benefits. Okay, so I gave a lot of the health benefits when I first planted it, but it has a lot of good nutrients, vitamins, and all kinds of stuff. Okay, so yeah, you can use it. Anybody can use it. Okay, you can stir fry it, and for us, we Nigerians, we can use it to cook soups. Yeah. So you can use it to cook anything you want to cook. Okay, all right. So that is it. I love it. It's so beautiful. Look at it. Very, very beautiful. So I have to make sure that I come and harvest them. So when I bought these seeds, they were pricey. Yeah, they were very pricey. They gave me very little, very tiny wincy. Like if you just take like a pinch. No, it's not even up to a pinch of salt. I planted, it was very few. So, and guess what? I let it grow. Then it started bringing out this flower, and I let the flower mature. I harvested them a couple of times, maybe 2 times. Then I let it mature. Then I now, cut it and put it in the brown bag and just left it in a dry, cool place. And that was how I left it for years. And look at it. So you can have it year after year after year. You can even give it to people. You can even sell if you're interested in selling them. Okay? Yeah, very, very, very beautiful. This is, it has the botanical name that you guys will be looking at right now. But for us, we call it a Lagos spinach, Efo. We call it Shoko or Shoko Yokoto. So different names like that. Okay? So that's just what you do. When you get some seeds, believe me, you can keep on, planting it year after year, year after year after year, and you can even give it to people. You can share. Okay? Yeah. Look at what I'm seeing now. This is my watermelon. Look at my watermelon. This is a baby, what do they call it? I always call it a different name. Is it a baby watermelon? Yeah, something like that. I'll put the name. Yeah, look at it. It's coming up. Okay, I just planted it in a, I transplanted it. It was so wimpy. It doesn't like a cold at all. Because look, now it's thriving now. Now that there's sun. Okay, look at one is coming out, is encroaching, coming, it's coming to this side. So you see, some of them are coming. I want it to climb. So look at the small one there. There's a small one coming. There's one coming. Yeah. So I just planted it and I transplanted it into this 15 gallon. And for a long time it was just struggling because it doesn't like cold, I think. Because look at now, it's doing very well. Okay, so all I will do is to direct it. Maybe I will put another of this on this side, so that to give it a, I wish I put it by the wall. Okay, so it's coming up. Yeah, this is a baby watermelon, I think. Yeah. Okay, guys. So you can just plant. Just give it a chance. Yeah, look at my Swiss. My Swiss. This is going to be the second year, or even if the third year. It's still coming up. Yeah, it looks like the third year. Okay. This is a chard, a red one, chard, Swiss chard. Yeah, look at it. It's very nutritious. You see, you can use it, stir fry it, use it as a for soup also, for African soup. Okay, right behind it. Yeah, if you look at my video, you will see this. This is a 5 gallon paint gallon, 5 gallon what do they call it? 5 gallon paint bucket. Okay, yeah. Remember I planted I transplanted the this one, if you guys remember, this one was the volunteer scent leaf. This scent leaf, yeah. So look at, it's growing very well here, and behind it is a, look at this, it's a Chaya. You see Chaya or Kaya or hospital too far. So yeah, so they are doing very well. Okay, that one just started growing. So I transplanted it and I did a video. So it's doing well there. This is Chaya. This Chaya has been in this bucket. I mean this pot. This is a 15 gallon for years now. Yes, it has been here. Okay, during winter it doesn't do very well, but as it gets hot, when the weather warms up, then it starts growing. See, I can harvest them and use them for for food. Okay, you can use them as vegetable, but this one, don't eat it raw. You have to at least cook it for, some people say 10 minutes. If you cook it for 10 minutes, you are killing it. I do my own at least 2 minutes. Okay, and guess what? Look at my bitter leaf tree. Look at, oh my god, this is a tree. See how tall? That one is up to 20 feet also. Look at the way it's going. This is ancient bitter leaf tree. Very ancient. Look at it. Very, very ancient. You see that? Very ancient. See? So this is what is going on right here. Okay? So, and look at Chaya. Another Chaya. Hospital too far. Right there also. See it right here? Okay? That one has been growing from that. Let me show you guys where it's growing. Yeah. It's growing for this, this planter, for years also. Okay. All right. And this is my avocado tree. It's doing good. I have to do a special video for this because I really thank God. I thank Yeshua Mashiach. Because I've tried to grow this avocado, You guys know the story. If you go to my videos, you will see that I tried it 2 times. It didn't work. In fact, I even tried it before I started my YouTube channel to grow avocado. It didn't go. I couldn't grow avocado. So this time I just bought this particular one. I think this is a gem. Then let me go and show you guys the other one. Okay, so this is my garden actually. This is my garden, you know, in June. We're in June. Yeah, June is my month. Yeah, this is my month of my first son and my 2 grandsons. They have the same birthday, and my late daddy and my son. I will call him my son because it's my son-in-law. So it's a June baby. All right, so we are June. Okay, how am I going to get there? See, there's another one there. That's the, yeah, there. That's another. Yeah, like I told you guys, my garden is very okay because I've not had time to do anything. Okay, so this the other one there. See, and it's doing well. Okay, it's doing very well. Let me go close. It's doing very well. Look at it. Okay, it's in this. I bought these 2. If you guys, watch the video, you'll see. But I don't know what to do with this. It looks very. Look at it. If you know what I'm supposed to do, let me know. I don't know whether it's dead or I don't know. But I see that it's growing well. I see it's growing. So maybe what I would do, I have to go and look for, white paint and maybe paint that place. Other than that, it's doing well. Okay, guys. I put this tool to protect it from, because it came with fruit. So I didn't want all those, animals to eat them. So I put this tool, then, but I've not taken it. But it can breed. It can still breed. Okay, guys. I really thank God. It's growing. I'm so grateful. I have to move it. I put it somewhere before, and especially the other one. This one is what is it? This is reed, I think. Yeah, this is reed avocado. Yeah, the gem. I had to move it from where it was. Because I saw that it was the wind was too much and it was getting too, the heat, the sun was too much on it, so I moved it on that side. And it's been doing well, started growing. And this one is growing too, thank God. Yeah, you just have to trust God, And sometimes when we do things, we give up. No, you don't give up, you keep on. You keep on striving. Try again and again. And pray, and God will answer your prayer. Yeah, I've always wanted to have a avocado, and I couldn't. For the like of me, I tried it many years back. Then I tried two more times. Wasted the money. Then this time, it's growing. I can see. So prayerfully, by God's grace, in Yeshua mighty name, we will get a fruit. Okay, guys, everywhere is tight. I have a lot of work to do, a lot of transplanting to do. Okay, even some of my peppers here. Look at they are growing, but they need to be supported. Look at, I think this is a long pepper. I don't know what name that one will be. Yeah, it look like I don't know. Whether it's extra large pepper, I don't know. See, you see that? Okay, it looks like a Jimmy Nandalo pepper. When they grow, I will know where they are. Okay, so my all over the place, you guys can see that my pumpkin. I'm just seeing a lot of pumpkin. I have to do a video, a video, because my pumpkin is like growing all over the place. I have pumpkin right here. There's a pumpkin there. There's a pumpkin here, but I will need somebody to help me. There's a pumpkin right there. That is a turi. Yeah, I think it's turi. Yeah, we need somebody to help me with the video so that I can show you guys. That one, this one looked like a very big one there. Yeah. So yeah. So I thank God. Yeah, thank God. Yeah, I need to, transplant like this okra. This one, I don't know whether this is motherland okra. Yeah, it could be that. So I'm going to have to transplant them. One thing when I say it could be. Believe me, when the okra or the plant, when they grow, the fruit comes out, I will know what they are. I just didn't have time to be, putting all kinds of what's it called, label, because I was so busy. Oh, look at this eggplant. We've not been eating it. I don't know what is wrong with it now. Yeah, this was from last year. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to pluck this one and eat after the video. Okay, guys. All right. Oh, look at my banana. Look at that one. They are there growing. I've not gotten any banana yet, but believe me, the leaves have health benefits. You can even use it to wrap your food. more all kinds of things. Even people that do tamale, they can use it to wrap. So it's very useful. So like I told you guys, I don't only plant for the fruit. I plant also for the benefit that I get from the leaves. Okay, this is the chaya right there. I have chaya. Those ones are growing in the ground. This one is growing in the container. Okay, guys. All right, that's my chaya right there. Growing. It has been there for years now. This one is in the container. All right, this one is in the container. Okay, guys. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. People watch, they don't even subscribe. Subscribe and support us and encourage us. We work very hard. Okay, guys. Support us. Comment. Give us some comment and give us thumbs up and subscribe so that YouTube can recommend our videos. Okay? We are here to serve the people. All right, guys. To serve you guys, okay? All right. Thanks for watching. God bless you always. Shalom.